Hey guys, welcome back to another video. And wait, give me a second, I forgot to close the door. And I'm back. Okay. Oh yeah, you go girl. You go girl. Okay. Let's skitty boy. No scrambler. Okay. We're joining. I'm hyped. I'm feeling hyped up, guys. I feel like tonight's gonna be a good night. Oh no, we're in the desert. How I hate this map. Oh. Hello, a noob. I killed a noob. Wow. Oh. Hello, person I don't know. TSM Manny. Who died? Oh, no, not this guy. Wait, oh no. Toxic Daddy. No, Lord Egg. Darn it. Oh, man. I think I'm actually going to be a soldier. You're a soldier! What? What? Just what? Just what? I'm using an Egg K47. That's just cringe. No. The cringe, brother. The cringe. Oof. Aloha. I killed your father? Oh my gosh. Sorry guys. I killed your father. Oh, Lord Egg. Lord Egg. Lord Egg. Okay. What? So you. So you. What's so you? What's so you? Let's see. Aloha. And I'm died. And I'm died, guys. I'm died. This is a really bad map. I think I'm gonna up. I think I'm going to get a different map. Oh man. No, another awkward ad. Bye. Okay, we're connected. Good map. Please give me a yes! That's exactly what I wanted. We're going upstairs. Whoa. Oh, somebody's called not Tifu. Whoa. Somebody's trying to snipe me, but they're like failing miserably. Not Tifu. Get back here. You're welcome, whoever's up there. You saved your yolks. Okay, I'm second. Oh, no. Master Yolk is... Oh, that was a good grenade, bro. Brother, you can't hit me. Ethan, I'm so sorry, Ethan. But, like, yeah. I can't let you do that. Surprise. Oh, he fell down. God, no. There's no way that kid's sniping me. No. Ethan, how about we sit? Yeah, go down there. Where we can all, more like you, can sit down and relax. Oh, sniper on me. Oh, he doesn't see me. Oh, Master Yolk. 13 kills. Okay, I'm definitely playing with a streamer here. Oh! Oh, okay. Let's see. First, oh, Ethan is first, but I killed Ethan. Ethan's a noob. A noob. Not Tifu. Hate to break it to you, but like you're not. Oh my gosh, Ethan! God. Gosh, oh my gosh. Okay. Oh yeah, guys. Big shout out to Popular MMOs. If you subscribe to me, make sure you subscribe to them because like. Oh my God! No, Elvis Presley. Elvis Presley. Darn it. Darn it, Elvis Presley. Okay, we're going up, we're going up, we're going up. Oh my God. Whoa, not Tifu. Easy there, my friend. More like not my friend. Whoa, whoa, I'm nasty. Oh, darn it. Master Yoke. He is so good. How is he so good? Gucci. He is Gucci. Let's go down. Okay. Yeah. Like, quit. Let's see if. Hola! What? 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 This game is rigged. Let's see if I can find anybody. I believe I can commit suicide. Surprise! That's what you get when you get upset. Sorry. Hashtag not sorry. Oh no no no. Oh man. Okay. And I was about to kill Master Yo. But that guy was like, I call poop shotgun. Look at this dude. Look at this dude. Hacker. Bye. Why you no die, my friend? Oh, there you go. Let's get those eggs, brother. Ooh, he got scrammed. Oh, let's see if he... Ah! Whoa! Whoa, Ethan. Ethan, my man. Ethan. Ethan. Settle down, my friend. Settle down. No. Come to daddy. The heck? Oh my God. I dropped my hot pocket. What? Wait. What do you mean? Oh man. Okay, let's see what we get. Oh, whoa! Yourself. That's a good meme. This, I need pros. I need pods. Oh my God. I need pods. Bro, I need pods. Quick assault Eggman. Eggman. What? Wait. Take that. Up. I'm coming for you. I call poop shotgun. Let's see what we get. If somebody's... This place is utter chaos. It's World War II. Let's see. Ow. Oh my God, it's Halo. Oh my God, X-Splash. Yeah, he X-Splashed me. Calamity is in first place. I repeat, Calamity is in first place. I repeat. Sorry, Defoe. Oh. I call Pooch again. Not Chester. Okay, all I need is to take down Calamity, and I've taken down the leaderboard. Oh, I need 1 kill. The 1 kill will secure me the spot of victory among the noobs. Oh, no, 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 question mark. Oh my god, I was killed by myself. Oh man. Everybody's mean. I'm not sure if I should meme. Let me think. I think I'm gonna leave and like memes them. I'm going to memes them, I think. Yeah. After this advertisement that is taking up my video. Oof. No, 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 no. Can I like, no? Yeah, I think I'm just gonna end the video here, guys. So, if you like the video, make sure you subscribe and ring a bell and tell me about your friends. So, yeah. See ya!